So we have Mereoni over here, and she came from the lovely tropical paradise of Fiji. She had extensive mitral and tricuspid valve disease because of rheumatic heart disease, and the valves were completely destroyed. But she presented to us at a very advanced stage where both the left and the right side of heart were not working fine. She also had liver dysfunction leading to jaundice or yellowness in the eyes. She had a lot of pedal edema or swelling of the feet. That was because of decongestive heart failure. And the most important thing is she had a very high pulmonary artery pressure, which means, not just the heart valves were not working, but the heart was also not in a very good condition, and she was in a condition called as decompensated heart failure. She had an episode of admission in New Zealand just recently, and where it was deemed that her disease is inoperable. But when she came over here, she obviously had a lot of these problems, including swelling of the feet and jaundice and other stuff. But we stabilized her for a few days, and after a few days of stabilization, we took the risk and we went ahead and we replaced the valves, and the result was good. She's recovered well, and it was extremely complicated surgery because the heart was quite damaged. Both the chambers of the heart, left and right side, were damaged. Pulmonary hypertension was very high, but overall the results were excellent and fantastic, and now she's here in a perfect condition. So we are very happy with her recovery, and hats off to her for coming so far with this condition, and we are happy that we are able to make a difference in her life. So if you have any of these conditions, you can contact Medivisor India Treatment for any problems in Fiji or in Pacific Islands. We have operated patients through Medivisor of Vanuatu, Solomon Island, Papua New Guinea, Samoa and Tonga. So all the Pacific Islands have been operated by me here in Max Healthcare via Medivisor Treatment India, and the results have been excellent and fantastic. So please don't hesitate to contact if you have any problem.